Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reinstall Windows 11 on ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X using ASUS recovery tools. First of all, power your device off completely. Plug in the charging cable to the charging port and press the power button to turn your device on. And before it starts powering on, start repeatedly pressing the minus icon until you are in the BIOS menu. Once you are in the BIOS menu, you can start navigating here using either using D-pad for navigation and A for selection, or you can also simply use the touch screen of your device. So let's go to advanced mode. You can do this either by clicking right here or by pressing Y button. Then go to advanced tab, use your D-pad to scroll down to ASUS Cloud Recovery and press A button. Now we're gonna have to connect to a network. To do this, press tap next and then select the network that you want to connect to. I recommend using the network with the high internet speed, so this operation doesn't take too long. Tap confirm and provide the password to your network by tapping on the empty field and then entering your password manually. Tap confirm and wait until you are connected to the network. Tap OK. Okay, so you should have at least 20% of battery power left or plugged into a power outlet. I recommend doing both. So yeah, as I said, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and enough available storage space. Well, since we only want to reinstall Windows, the last one doesn't really apply to us unless you replaced SSD in your device. Okay. Now wait until system is has downloaded all the required files. Once the files are downloaded, tap confirm. Okay, now we see the Windows booting screen. Now let's wait. Okay, once the updates are checked for, you just have to tap OK. And right now we're gonna be asked about a BitLocker unlocking for creating a recovery image, for creating a backup point, if not mistaken. Okay, let's just wait for another couple of seconds. Okay, and here is the pop-up that I was telling you about. So if you want to back up your files first, you're gonna have to tap OK and then go ahead with unlocking the BitLocker, if I'm not mistaken. But in this video I'm only gonna show you how to reinstall Windows on this device. So if you want to create a backup point, you're gonna have to tap OK and proceed with the following instructions. Now confirm that you are ready to start the cloud recovery process by tapping yes. Okay, and I'll wait for until the download is finished. Okay, once the recovery files are downloaded, let's wait until the device prepares everything. Okay, and so basically at this point you just have to wait for the last steps. I think from now it will approximately take around a couple of minutes to finish the process. Okay, so right now the Windows has booted into the safe mode. and it seems to proceed by itself for now. So let's wait for a while more. And so just in a couple of seconds you will see, or in a couple of minutes rather, you will see the setup screen on your device. So at this point,
set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by press.
So right now you don't have to. You are already through. So if you need some help with setting up the device, you can check the dedicated video on our channel about how to set up your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X device. And for this video, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.